Is managing IBM's license metric tool, ILMT, becoming a headache? You're not alone. At Canyon Consulting, we understand IBM's ILMT, so you don't have to. Our ILMT installation and upgrade services include setting up the ILMT server and assisting with agent installations, identifying and troubleshooting installation issues, upgrading existing ILMT versions to the latest release, generating baseline ILMT reports, and providing comprehensive staff training. With a properly installed and maintained ILMT, you can ensure compliance with IBM's subcapacity licensing requirements. Maintain the necessary 2-year data history to avoid full capacity pricing penalties. And be prepared for any IBM audits, mitigating potential risks. Let Canyon Consulting handle the complexities of ILMT, so you can focus on what you do best. Ready to streamline your IBM licensing management? Schedule a meeting with us today.